Audio Jungle.
Hi, in this video, I will show how to change a region of Realme device, an example on 10 Pro, and how to unlock bootloader on that phone. Now I'm installing a local update app on Chinese version of Realme to change that into India region, which is unlockable with GT5 unlock bootloader app. Now I'm have two ROMs on internal memory, but shown only one. You can go into File Manager and I have a bad ROM now. And now I'm going into change name of that China actual version. Delete that. You can change name into one, like on example from QR code instruction in text. And now I have a changed file name and flash that changed file name within the ROM. It may take some time. It takes about 15 minutes, 20. You can go for our website for text instructions. And next, after the whole process, you have a button with Reboot, and all of your data is now erased when you click Reboot. So before process, you must back up all data from target phone to change region or unlock bootloader. It also works with Locked Bootloader phones, as you see. Now we have erasing with China strings, but now it is erased and it will be configured with default settings. You can only switch region, or if you want, you can try to unlock bootloader on oldest India ROM or oldest China ROM. Some phones mainly not longer maintained are possible to unlock on oldest China rollback package, and most of supported phones are supported to unlock bootloader on India package, but when it is supported by Realme. It may vary, but when you find for your model correct package, it will be easy to unlock that phone. On our website, it is available sources for Realme GT2 Pro and 10 Pro. Now, at the moment of unlock process, and the QR code is shown on the screen. You must download that from GitHub or OneDrive. And some GitHub files are password protected. And on the screen, when you go to the download, you can copy that password into clipboard. And now I'm making a configuration of phone. So after configuration, when you make a try to unlock bootloader on specific firmware version, go to frplunlocking.com and download GT5 bootloader DPTs to unlock app. And when you want to change region, download or correct Android version and Open local update app. Now I'm logging into HitUp account. It is not full of unlocking process, but when you try to unlock an oldest India or China ROM for your model, in this example is for 10 Pro, and also GT2 Pro ROMs, China ROM is included on the website, and India on for 10 Pro. And when you're making login on HitUp, you must go into deep test or install it. And this is not full of unlocking process, but when you go into HitUp, you are logged, as you see. And now you are installing deep test APK target with file name GT5. And you are applying for unload bootloader. There was more screens about in this process, but I need to select checkboxes. Now I'm querying for approval status, and it is unlocked. Will be unlocked after some days. Subscribe our channel if you like that video, or download all needed files from our website.